Well, it's a Toll Brothers. It's got all the bells and whistles. It's gorgeous. Hi, I'm Adam Hopkins of the Hopkins Group at eXp, and I'm with Renee Smith, and we are checking out Toll Brothers in Inspirada. So, let's check this out.
It's the Mairin collection.
Yeah.
It's the Hillcrest book.
So this is a single-story home, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 2,100 square feet, and it's just gorgeous. So
Stunning upgrades.
yeah, come on, let's just take a look. One of the things I like about Toll Brothers is how they incorporate the indoor living and outdoor living together. So they really do. Now, I know none of this comes into the base price, the backyard, what they do, but it's really cool the way they display that and show what's possible.
Yeah, the possibilities.
Yeah.
The fact that they haven't gone all the way the length of the dining room with their counter surface areas is amazing.
Yeah, I like the way they incorporated the whole thing into the space.
It just makes it flow.
Wow, this actually has its own sitting room. You know, 5 people could shower at the same time, but it's just dramatic and gorgeous. For 2,100 square feet, it feels plenty of size. Yeah, it really does.
They did a really good job laying everything out.
So the floor plan on a single-story home is just great on this.
Yeah, I love this wide entryway. It just immediately makes the home feel large, open, and spacious.
Now, why would you want to call an agent such as myself to come and help you with this process? Because we are an extra service to help you get the home that you want. We don't just know what's happening here in Toll Brothers. We're aware of what all the builders offer and their benefits, their strengths, their weaknesses. Plus, we're also the first ones to know what kind of discounts and incentives that are being offered that we can get you. We also know what inventory they have standing, so we can immediately, if you're like, I don't want to wait. At the end of the day, the people who you meet with in the sales offices, they represent the seller, the builder. We represent you. So that gives you an added level of protection and security, knowing that your interests are being met and taken care of. And the best part is it costs you nothing. You don't get any special incentives to come and be unrepresented, and the builders actually want us. 80% of what Toll Brothers sells is represented by an agent. We have a good relationship with the sales managers, even though they do an amazing job all on their own. We're gonna make that transition and this experience that much more smoother and
less stressful for somebody that's buying. You know, buying a house can be very stressful.
Give us a call. We'll be happy anytime. If you're from out of the state, give us a call. We can coordinate all the different homes that you might want to see, different builders, and we will make this simple, easy for you. and get you your dream home with all the features and benefits you're looking for. So reach out to us. We'd be happy to help you at any time. I'm Adam Hopkins.
I'm Renee Smith.
And we're the Hopkins Group.